Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
All body parts stand together holding hands. Work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. During the day and even at night, we are always at work. Hands, come forward and tell us what you do. We lift, we hold, we carry. We give and we take. We pull, we push, we put. 100 things we make. We two are a clever pair. There's nothing that we can't. Feet, come forward and tell us what you do. We walk, we run, we tap, we dance, we skip and jump and hop. We step forward, we turn about, and just in time, we stop. Eyes, ears, nose. What about you? We open, we close. We read, we blink. We see things far and near. And be it loud, be it soft, every sound we hear. I breathe day and night. I can never rest. I have to smell every smell, good or bad or best. And what about you, mouth? Oh, you know, I open and shut and smile. I speak, I eat, I drink, I sip, I slurp, I chew and bite. Slurp is a loud sucking sound made while drinking and eating. But do I get any of the food? No, it all goes to this lazy belly. Belly is stomach. Is it right? The belly doesn't do any work. That's right, the belly doesn't do any work. That's not right. That's wrong. I do a lot of work. But it goes on inside me. You can't see it. But I do work. Why can't we see it? It's because you don't do any work. The only work you do is to grab all the food. Grab means to take. You don't move a step. Why should we work to give you food? We won't work for you. You won't get any food now. Don't do that. I work for all of us. We will all suffer if you don't give me food. Don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive. Deceive means to believe something that is not true. 3 hours later. Please get some food. I'm all ready to start my work. No means no. We are all going to relax just like you. Please listen to me. You must give me food. I digest it for all of us. Sorry, don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive. 2 days later. How are you, my friends? Oh, I feel so dry. We feel so weak. We can't see properly. We feel so tired. What's the matter? What's wrong with all of us? Enter Brain. Brain, you silly fellows. Now you have no energy. Fellows means a man or boy. What gives you energy? Food. Who works on food to give you energy? Think. Could it be? Is it the belly? Yes, of course. Belly digests food and sends energy to all of you. Do you understand it now? Yes, yes. Now we know. This belly does a lot of work, though he does not show it off. He does important work. All hold hands and sing together. Work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work.
Exercise. Enact the play. Students must enact the play along with their classmates in the classroom. 3. Read the following words. From the lesson, find rhyming words for each. Take, make, hop, stop, you, do, near, here, rest, best, bite, write, deceive, receive. 4. List the names of all the body parts in this play. Answer: mouth, hands, feet, eyes, ears, nose, belly, brain.